What's up, everybody? You're hanging with your girl Dejanne today. I'm making you some bacon cheese wrapped hot dogs. It's what you call the lazy keto. Let's get into it, okay? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get your hot dog. You're gonna put a slit right down the middle, not all the way through, because you don't want the cheese to melt through once you're doing it. You're gonna take your cheese, stuff it right inside of there. And then you're going to get you a bacon. I prefer thick cut because I like the thick cut better. You'll get you a slice of thick cut bacon. You're going to wrap it right around it, all the way around. Now, the recipe that I got it from, it's called Rude Me. That's a channel that I watch. She actually used 2 slices of bacon, but that just seemed a little bit too much, and I made it work with 1. So, you can do what you do if yours is shorter than used to. And then you're going to wrap it all the way around. And what you're going to do, you're going to want to take a toothpick and stick it right in there. So this way it stays together while it's in the oven, so it doesn't unravel. And this way your cheese and everything stay in there. You will get a little cheese dripping, but it's all fine. It's going to work out just fine. Don't worry about that. And while you're doing that, you go ahead and put it on the wire rack, so this way you catch the grease so it doesn't soak inside, soak into the grease. And you're going to season it. I just use garlic and some pepper, because I figure that it's already salty, so we don't need any extra salt to it. Also, when it's cooking, halfway through the time, go ahead and flip it so it can cook on the other side. Now you're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. The longer, the crispier. Whichever you prefer, make sure to turn it over so it can cook evenly on all sides, and there you have it. Delicious. Trust me. Try it out. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.